What is up, guys? GV Kick back again for another vlog. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. I am doing all right. Today we're gonna go replace my windshield. As you know, my hood flew up on me twice now, and the first time it flew up, my friend was actually helping me take the hood off the car on the side of the road, and he accidentally dropped it on the side of the windshield and it left a big crack. Now, I didn't think about it because it wasn't spreading for a while, and I tried to fix it, and I kind of did, but a year later it's fucked. So today we have to replace the windshield for the third time on this car since pretty much I owned it, right? So fuck me, right? But yeah, so we're gonna do that today, guys, and we got a couple other things we're gonna do. I think we're gonna do engine cleaning. Yeah, I think we're doing a couple other things. Ahmad's gonna wash his car and stuff like that, and yeah, just like little things around the car. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll see you in the next clip. We're probably gonna get the windshield done, but I'll show you guys right now. It's absolutely fucked. Ever since it started getting warmer outside, the fucking crack just been getting huge, and it's just because the crack has been expanding, and like it's just bad because of the hot weather. So take a look at this. Well, guys, I just spent a fuck ton of money. So yeah, got the headlights and I got a tie down. It's a lot of fucking money, but it's for the Subi, so can't wait to put this stuff on. These guys are great. Go check them out. Love this guy. Really nice guy. I met him in person. Really beautiful STI. And yeah, let's move on to the next part of the video. Like, you can kind of see it. Like, it comes all the way up to here. And like, same with that side. Like, see, like, it comes there and then it goes straight up from there. So it's getting pretty bad. And the only safe decision to do is just to replace the whole windshield. So I'm definitely not gonna try and fix it. It's gonna cost me a pretty penny, but we love her, so we're gonna do it. Oh shit. Okay, so it's kind of hot, but we are gonna be cleaning the engine bay right now. I got the windshield on, let me show you. Windshield is on. Nice brand new windshield, look at that. New windshield, who this, what the fuck? So I'm not gonna drive the car. He said leave it on for like a couple hours, but I'm gonna leave it on for like 2 days because I'm just paranoid now. But yeah, so I put some microfibers down because I can't get this wet, but we're gonna be using engine degreaser, and yeah, we're gonna be cleaning the engine bay. Pretty dirty, and yeah, we should pop up the engine bay if it's gonna look pretty good after this. But we covered everything with saran wrap, all the important stuff, and we're gonna spray this down. Hopefully we don't fuck up, but I don't think we will. I think I got all the important stuff, hopefully. I'm kind of nervous because I see like exposed wire in some places, but you know, this stuff isn't gonna be on for too long, so it should be good. So engine bay is now clean. Damn, looks really good. It's pretty clean. A lot of this gunk came off. I'm not sure if it was a rust coat or just dirt, but I don't really care. I'm probably gonna re-rust coat it anyway. So yeah, came out pretty good. I'm gonna keep working on this, trying to make it all even and fix it. And red pops a little bit more, I guess. But yeah, good little clean.
5 minutes. And the screw wasn't going.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go. And looking for his plate for like fucking 30 minutes. Oh, it's behind it. Life of an EVO driver. Switching plates because they think they're lawbreakers. So pretty much, you guys already seen the beginning of the video. You saw what I bought last week, so we're gonna be doing that right now. Long overdue. And we're gonna be fucking, dude, I'm hyped. So let's get these on. I'm gonna walk you guys through. Yo, I'm so hyped, guys. Like, fuck. Super Supply Co. I fuck with these guys. But let's get into it. So we have stickers. But holy. Guys, like honestly, if you've been watching my videos, like, yo, you guys honestly know that I've been wanting this for a while. First thing I'm gonna do is drop them on the face. Yo, that's neat, yo.
It actually looks so.
Holy! Yo, these are fire. Only came with one? Holy fucking shit, bro.
Hold them up. Clean, dude. Clean.
So we're gonna be installing these today. So I also picked up this while I was there. It's a Grimspeed battery tie down. I know I shouldn't have bought it, but like, you know, like my battery tie down's kind of fucked up. So I just want to show you guys the headlights before we actually put them in. Okay, so these are the actual headlights. It's black housing with the stripe, or like I don't even know what that's called, but it has like that nice stripe, and then turn signal on the side here. So these will be the daytimes plus these if I want them to, and this will be the high beam. Turn signal, and then this is just reflective, which I might cover in the future. Only downside about this headlight is I wish this stripe extended longer down here, but it doesn't really matter. It just has this open space, but it would look really good. Fucking bumper off. I'm gonna start taking the headlights off now. My bumper's over there. I'm gonna clean the inside. And yeah, remember, I don't know if you guys have ever seen this, but just, if you know what you're looking at, then you know what you're looking at, but that's probably about all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna fix that too. But it's this bolt, one on the side.
I ripped the fuck out of my car.
Yeah, you ripped the fuck out of it.
Oh yeah? I just ripped the shit out of
Oh yeah? Okay, so one bolt there, one on the side, one on the top, wiring first. I want to show you guys how big of a difference that is. That's massive. That's gonna look so good.
Got fucked on the pizza.
Dude, it fucked our pizza. Yo, if you guys like pineapples, it's unsubscribe right now.
Pineapple pizza is good.
Get the fuck out of the shop.
No, fuck you.
What the fuck happened to the sauce?
And there's only one.
Yo, let's put the bumper on and then
Okay.
half the drink.
Wait, why is there hot pepper on it?
Hot peppers and half your drink.
Yeah, I think they give us the wrong. This can't be a large.
That's an ugly ass pizza. Look, it's big.
How it should look. Make sure your bolts are tightened at the bottom here. And your clip is also put in before you put this bolt in, because you have to put that in first for your bumper. We finally finished the fucking headlights. It just looks so good, guys. Like, it just looks so fucking good. And yeah, we made a separate video on how to install them, so check that out if you're interested in installing these headlights. But yeah, it turned out really well. It turned out a lot better than I expected. It's gonna make the car look crazy. Like, look at it. Slaves here, you know, packing up my old headlights and shit. They're getting paid $10 an hour. It's 38% tax. But these are the headlights, guys. I've been waiting for these for a while. If you've been on my channel, you know I wanted these. They look really good. I took my battery out. I'm just cleaning inside. That's very dirty. And we're gonna put the Green Speed battery thing on it. It's really dirty. That's the whole reason. Kind of forced myself to buy that so I would do this. But I didn't clean this when I did the degreaser on the engine bay, so you can tell how dirty this is. Battery tie down in. We use zip ties because I broke both of those. So zip ties still sturdy. It's a good 50 bucks. I might have done something stupid, but it's just a sticker, so I just want to see how it will turn out. Peel it off on him. Guys, what the fuck did I just do? I just put a black sticker over some black vinyl. Looks kind of dumb, but I fuck with it. What's up, guys? I'm a happy camper. The headlights look fucking amazing. I can't wait to take pictures, and I'm just so glad that I finally pulled the trigger on them. Next up is the AOS, coilovers, rims. I don't know, we'll see what comes first, but anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Feedback, as always, please. I love you guys' support. I'm gonna keep pumping out videos. I don't really care. I love making videos. Stay tuned for next video. It's finna be crazy. I feel like you guys already know what's going on, but I'm kind of hyped. It's been a while, and yeah, I'm just excited. So I love you guys so much. Hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay updated, stay tuned. Peace.